Hi, great to see you this week. We are totally upping our lip care game in this week's video. If you are frustrated with dry, cracked lips that are showing way too many vertical lines either in the lips or right above, have I got a solution for you. Actually, multiple solutions. So many products are on the market these days for lip care specifically. And I know it's an area that really frustrates us as we get older. We start to notice, and women get more of the vertical lines on the upper lip than men do. I read about it, I thought maybe it's because we talk more, but no, that's not it. It's just a genetic thing, how we're programmed. But it can be frustrating. It shows signs of aging around the mouth. Dry lips also make your lipstick and your lip products not wear as well. So there are a couple of steps to take that will actually get rid of the dead skin cells, will hydrate, moisturize, will fill and plump, and even lip glosses and products that help to plump as well. I've used lip plumping glosses before, say that 3 times. The one thing I don't like about most of these products is that they have that really strong tingling, burning sensation. So it's the active ingredient in the product that helps with the plumping, but your lips feel like ants are on them and stinging and biting, and I don't like that. So I really was mindful in finding product that would fill and not be painful. Take the bite out of the fill, if you know what I'm saying. All right, so the most important thing to do first is to exfoliate the lips. So I found a product by Fresh, love Fresh because they're a clean beauty product, and I found it at Sephora. So it's the Fresh Sugar Lip Polish that gently exfoliates. So you take just a small amount and you're gonna buff your lips with it. It's for all skin types. Helps to remove that outer layer of skin. It also hydrates, moisturizes. Don't forget, before you do all of this, you might want to remove any little peach fuzz that's on the upper lip. I know sometimes we think we don't have it, but when the sun catches it in just the right light, it's like, where did that come from? So that's really the first exfoliating step, is to do that. And then to use this scrub, and I can already feel it hydrating, but also just dry skin and lipstick is a horrible combination. And this way you're getting rid of all of that. And then to remove, you can just take your hand towel and do it. You could do this in the shower. You could do this as part of your morning skincare routine, but you apply it to the dry lip. So that's a really good way to start. Everything is clean. Make sure you get all those little granules out of there. Now this Fresh product is a little bit on the higher price side, so I'm going to provide alternatives for you. It is $21, and you can also use, if you have any type of face exfoliator that you normally use and you want to carry that to your lips, then go for it. The only difference is your face exfoliator might not have the hydrating qualities that the Fresh lip sugar does. So think about that, but if you're looking to save money, always, you can transfer your face exfoliator and carry it down to the lips. Make sure it's not too gritty or not gritty enough. I can tell you that this is a good medium kind of grit because it needs to get that dead skin off, but you don't want to overly irritate your lips at the same time. They recommend doing this 2, maybe 3 times a week and no more. Okay, so lips are exfoliated. I can still feel a couple of little granules, and they're quite pink, aren't they? After exfoliation. All right, the next product is something that is just doing amazing things for me. I still have it in the packaging because I want you to see it, but this one is by Peter Thomas Roth. This is a lip formula that's clinically shown to fill out, plump, and smooth the appearance of the lips quickly and over time. So it helps with fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, loss of firmness, and elasticity. It is a balm. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. It will enhance the volume, and you will notice a difference in your lips with continued use. All right, so the Peter Thomas Roth lip filler has settled in. According to my receipt, this one was $29 and worth every penny. I'm gonna come in for my close-up here, and you can probably see, I hope you can see the smoothness. The lips are firmer, and I don't see nearly as many vertical lines as I normally do. Yeah, I'm just very, very happy with this. I've been using this as my base before I apply lipstick, and I absolutely love the way lipstick is wearing with this. So it's a phenomenal lip filling product for plumpness. But we're gonna add to that a really, really neat layer, and this is a product by U Beauty. And I don't know if you've heard of them before, but they have come out with these crazy, amazing lip oils that also plump and hydrate, and they come in 8 different colors. And here they are. This is Plasma Lip Compound by U Beauty. Enhanced visible volume, reduction of fine lines, improved texture, boosts hydration as well. It's a lip treatment without the irritation. Again, they've got peptides and ceramides in them. And like I said, 8 different colors. They say you can expect peak contouring after about 4 weeks of regular use. So again, this is something that is done in tandem with, let's say, the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Lip Firm Lip Filler for overall lip volume. It is, yes, it's something you can use for a day, but it has improved effect as time goes by. And it's a very natural and pretty way to get the desired effect of a pouty mouth without having to go get injectables or spend a lot of money in that arena. I will say that the price point for the U Beauty product is up there. It is $68, but if you do a subscription, it's $54.40. Again, I don't think of it as a lip gloss or a lip oil. I think of it as something with continued use. It helps to plump and firm because it has those active ingredients in there. So you have to think of it, I guess, more as a treatment than an actual cosmetic product. So the U Beauty and the Peter Thomas Roth, I would say absolutely. The scrub is a wonderful thing. I think you can maybe find a workaround there if you are looking for that. And then I want to move into nighttime care and what to use then. All right, so we're going to pretend like it's nighttime now, and we have wiped off all of our makeup, and we've done our skincare, and we're ready for a night treatment or a balm. All the rage these days. You cannot watch TikTok or any kind of social media feed without seeing this product. So of course I had to give it a try. Yes, it's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask to hydrate, nourish, and soften. It comes in multiple different scents. Of course, I had to gravitate to the vanilla. And it's kind of a cute little concept here. So there's this little applicator with a sponge. So that way you can get all the product out. So you just scoop it and apply. This is what you do at nighttime before bed. Super hydrating, does have vitamin C in it. Very emollient, lovely, lovely product. Now, let me make you aware of something. This one is a cult favorite. Everybody's raving about it, which is great. I have used it at nighttime. It works. It's a lovely product. I do love the touch of vanilla. I will say it's $24. So it's up to you to decide if that is something worth spending. Okay. As you know, I have used and talked about my Lancino nipple balm from the nips to the lips. I've used this since 2014 and it's still here on my channel. I've always put this on at night as well. I was so curious to see how this stood up next to this. The Lancino is still a little bit more emollient and it's $9. So just keep that in mind. You know, this one has some properties in it like vitamin C and other humectants that the Lancino does not have. But if you're looking to save money, again, that would be the area to do it. But I just wanted to present to you all of these fabulous, fabulous lip options to really make your lips just shine and look smooth and full. It's amazing. It's amazing what they do. They actually work. So I'm happy to share. You know, if you've given anything a try that you like, please share in the comment section below. I think that this community does a wonderful, wonderful job of imparting ideas of wisdom and products used and what works and what doesn't. I love providing dupes and alternatives. Links to all of these products, including alternatives, will be listed in the description portion below. When you click show more, you'll see everything expand. And if you would like to shop directly from there, I've made it easy for you. I really hope it's been helpful and informative. Lip care is, is the balm. It's one of the first things people see besides the eyes, right? When they look into our faces. And I know that we tend to be very sensitive to these areas as we age and want to do the best that we can to keep things supple and smooth and healthy, and most importantly, getting rid of dead skin and taking care of our skin. And that includes SPF, which has a huge, huge impact in how all of those areas will age. So it really starts there, but the finish line is kind of here in the bathroom through the day and through the night. So with your lip care, go out, be bold, be blessed, give somebody a smooch, and I'll see you next week. Bye.